In this video, we're going to talk about how to upload a Fanatics or Customer of the Month article to the Ian's Pizza website. The Fanatics articles function a little bit differently than a normal article because they're all held within this subpage right here, down here on the Fanatics page. So when we click on that, it's going to take us to the Fanatics, and you can see that this is one of the places in the website where we actually do use pictures, photographs of the Fanatics, as well as the formatting of the title and blurb are slightly different but similar for all of the Fanatics articles. So in order to upload a Fanatics article to this page, we're going to go up to here to New and go to New Post. So a few things to note here. The title is always going to be the first name of the fanatic of the month. So in this case, his name is Dan. And right now I have the copy for the article saved in a Google Drive folder. It's all edited and set up how I want it. Obviously this is going to be a little bit different for each fanatic and each store, but however you decide to list the information for your fanatic, it's usually best to edit it in a Google Doc like I've talked about in other videos. So what I'm going to do is copy this and come back over here, and just like with all the other articles, I'm going to paste from Word and insert all the copy into there and click Insert, and it's going to populate it. So the other important function to note is that down here in the blurb, we're always going to leave this formatting the same as well. This is going to be the store name, :date. So you would just insert your store name, whether it's State Street, Francis Street, Milwaukee, Juneau, or Milwaukee North, or Denver, whichever one, and then just the date. Over here on the other side, this is the important part. Rather than mark it as one of your store posts, so rather than mark it as a Madison or Milwaukee or Denver post, we're only going to mark Fanatics and only Fanatics. This is going to tell the website backend that this article should only be pasted to that Fanatics page that we were looking at earlier. It's not going to populate the home page or your store page. If you do happen to click on your cluster page, it's going to populate on the home page, and it's going to look a little bit funky when we go to the home page. So we're only going to click the Fanatics category. This is really important. For tags, I usually do a Fanatics tag, and then I would just choose the store that you're representing or the cluster that you're representing. And then finally, we're going to upload the featured image, which was discussed in another video, but you would normally upload your video. So we're going to go down to Set Featured Image. We're going to find our image. I'm going to hit Select, and then we're going to set the featured image. That should populate that here. What you're probably going to need to do is crop the image. These are always going to be homepage small settings, so we click on homepage small, and then we can adjust our slider however we want in this image, and click crop it. And as soon as it's done thinking, we'll be good to go. So at this point, once you have the first name of the fanatic up here, then your information in the body of the article, and the blurb set correctly as your store name, :date, Fanatics category selected, and then for tags, Fanatics, and your cluster, and the image uploaded, you're going to be good to go. So you're going to change draft to pending review and hit OK. And that's how we upload a Fanatics post to the Ian's Pizza website.